What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you guys remember the first video I did with AutoOne with the headlights? Well, they sent me over some LED bulbs for my reverse lights, so let's get it. Here are the reverse lights, one there and one there. Each side takes two. So what we have to do is twist and release. There you go. Alrighty, so one thing that I can tell already is that these LEDs are gonna definitely be 10 times brighter than these incandescent bulbs. I'm so glad I'm upgrading. Thanks, AutoOne.